Guys, I wanted to show you this Paw Patrol Headbands games that I purchased for my toddler. She is completely obsessed with Paw Patrol right now, and we all kind of know a lot about Paw Patrol. This game is cute. So I have 3 kids. My older kids have a different version of this game, so I wanted to get one that she can really participate in, my youngest. So it comes with the headbands. And it is different than the other games that we have for the bigger kids. And we all have been playing and it's been fun. So the headbands just go on, you know, it's like completely adjustable depending on your head size. So you just like pop it on. The instructions are pretty easy to read. And what it does is like you have this board. So it's kind of like a guess who. You put the card on, let's say you're a cow. And then you ask certain questions, like first right away, oh, you have these cards too. Hold on, I want to show you the other cards. So you each get your cards that go on your head. This is the main board that everybody's playing. And then you get an individual board as well. So then you ask like the first question, does it have feathers? Does it have fur? So then you know every animal in here either has feathers or fur. So you have like, you know, Chickaletta, Zumba, Rubble. And then you go on to ask, like, does it live in Antarctica? So it's like a fun way and like creative, different version of headbands that we've been having a lot of fun playing, and I definitely recommend it.